Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is Anastasia Brow Definer pencil. I really think the fact that it has this triangle tipped, it makes defining my brows so much easier. I can use one side of the pencil to make really fine strokes, hair-like. And if I turn it to the flat position, I can have strokes that will fill more pigment into my eyebrows. I really like the feeling that I have like three pencils in one because I can be filling one part of my eyebrow and define it with more of a fine stroke. Another part of my eyebrow, you know, two eyebrows are not the same, so I can just twist it and have another type of stroke. And that's my point of view.